What up, traders? I am Agbo Samuel Odi, the liquidity king and the AUDS, the sniper trader, back on your screen. And in this video, we'll be talking about gambling in trading and real trading. Now, most traders feel they are actually trading the market, but in real sense, they are actually gambling. And in this video, I will be giving you guys the trade to make you understand if you watching this video is trading or gambling. And you really want to sit tight and listen, and it will help you understand the aspect you find yourself. Now, firstly, what gambling actually looks like in trading is you are trading with no clear trading plan or strategy. So a lot of people come into the market, when they see market just rallying up, they just simply buy and expect the market to continue going up, or when they see candles printing bearish, they just sell without no proper plan or clear logic behind price movement. And you know what it definitely means? You might make profit in one or two trades, but to be consistently profitable, then I can assure you that you really need to go and draw and map out a proper trading plan and a strategy that best fits your personality trading the financial market. And the second trait is risking large percentage of your account in one position or one trade. Now, this is one of the things that most people fall victim of, and you don't want to be that kind of a trader, right? You need to understand that in trading, we grow through consistency and preserving capital. So if you're in a state where you are actually risking too much in a position to get whatever you want or take you to that vacation dream house or whatever, no, we believe in consistency of small wins, right? So if you are having such traits, then simply know that you are not actually trading. There is a sort of gambling attached to your trading. Now, the third trait is trading out of boredom or FOMO. So for example, you just enter the market and simply you just want to trade out of because you're bored, or FOMO, fear of missing out. For example, the market is trying to fully materialize but has not really given you the confirmation or criteria you need to take in a trade, and out of FOMO or the boredom of I haven't take trades, it just makes you just get into the market without probably disciplining yourself to wait for the market to present itself with the best condition for you to enter the market. So if you have this trait, just know you're still gambling in the market. And lastly, we have the third trait, which is no backtesting or track record. Now, this is what most traders don't realize. If you don't backtest and journal all your trades and the outcome and go through them, understanding how your past data reflect your trading abilities, right, you would never see significant growth in this market. So you need to journal your trades, bad backtesting, and also having a track record of market conditions that your strategy work best with, right? And if you don't have this trait and you're just trading based on guilt or emotion without any form of data that you have compiled in previous trades you take, then trust me, you are actually gambling. And now let's look at the trait of real trading. Now, number one is you simply have a trading plan, a risk management, an entry and exit criteria you look out for when taking a trade. Now, this is very important because when you have all this, it simply makes you act on the market with some sense or form of logic and understanding how your strategy work best and the market condition that have higher probability of the market going in your favor. And you just simply wait for the market to present itself with those things, and when they are available on the price chart, you simply execute. And the second trait is you have risk management in place. For example, understanding your account size and availing yourself to a risk that can fit that account. And we all know that for risk management is around risking 0.5 down to 2% on your account size in a single trade. So if you have an edge and you simply also follow it with a proper risk management plan, then you are acting as a real trader. And the third is you're using market analysis. For example, you're trading with technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or sentimental analysis. These are the reliable factors you need to speculate how price can move and forecast price movement. So if you're using a fundamental analysis, that means it simply means you're using economical data and the strength of different countries to speculate how price will move against the other. And if you're using technical, it simply means that you are using some technical tools and price action basis strategy to trade the market. And if you're using sentimental analysis, it simply means you're looking at what the buyers and the sellers are actually doing in the market and whose strength is in the market more at any price point. And if you use these tools or these factors trading the market, it simply means that you are actually a real trader trading the market. And lastly, we have the third trade, which is tracking your trade through journaling, right, and improving on those trades. Now this is the real deal, because without a documentary or a journal, you can't actually track your growth as a trader. So depending on journaling every single trade you take and going back reviewing those trades, it will help you spot patterns that shows you how well you are doing or how bad you are performing, and you simply improve on them. So these traits here signifies that you are actually a real trader trading in the market. So write your thoughts in the comment section about what you think of this video. Also like, share, subscribe, and in the description you will see the link to join my free Telegram channel where I post trade signals and ideas. And also, it doesn't mean that if you're gambling in the market you're a bad trader. It's just simply you need knowledge. And in this my platform, I have given the beginner's guide and also the advanced guide, so you can just go through my videos. You will see all you need to become 1% better, and practicing all those things, I can guarantee you with time you will improve more better. And peace out guys, see you in the next video.